Many of my viewers and my friends, the students whom I taught, the teacher friends, all have been asking for a very long time to have some classes on active voice and passive voice conversion. They have also asked about the reported speech. I have just postponed these two topics, active voice, passive voice as well as reported speech, mainly because I was focusing on the tenses, because these two have got some link with the tenses. If we understand the tenses, then it would be easy for us to enter into the transformation of sentences, that is from active to passive, direct speech to indirect speech, etc. So, that the much awaited active voice and passive voice is going to be discussed today. So, I will give you some step by step descriptions on the conversion, and then we will go to the intricate and technical part of the usage and grammar of active voice and passive voice. See here, observe this sentence, Amit broke the window. It is called an active voice. It is an active voice sentence where Amit is the subject, broke past tense, simple past tense verb, main verb, the window is the object. So, there are three components here, subject is Amit, verb is broke, object is window. What happens in the passive voice is the object comes to the place of the subject. So, the sentence begins with the window. Second, the subject goes to the place where the object was there by Amit, Amit goes here. The verb undergoes some change, it becomes past participle plus be form verb. I will tell you in detail, just the steps. One is that in the passive voice, the object comes to the place of the subject and subject goes to the place of where the object was there. Some change takes place in the main verb and then by is introduced. By is introduced here. This is important thing. So, see the steps here. Object becomes subject. So, object, the window became subject in the passive voice. Second, a form of be appears before the main verb, be form, is, or, am, was, were, something like that. So, here we are introducing a be form was because broke is the past tense. So, was. Then the main verb changes into past participle. You observe this sentence, past participle, break, broke, broken. We discussed earlier regular and irregular verbs, in which we have seen present, past and past participle, like sit, sat, sit, eat, ate, eaten, think, thought, thought. The third one is the past participle actually. So, the main verb changes into past participle, like break, broke, broken, broken is the past participle, steal, stole, stolen, stolen is the past participle, eat, ate, eaten, eaten is the past participle, write, wrote, written is the past participle. Then regular verbs help, helped, helped, helped is the past participle, wash, washed, washed, washed is the past participle. So, the main verb will become a past participle form, then by is introduced, subject goes to the place of object. See now again, object becomes subject, step 1, a form of be is introduced, the main verb changes into past participle, broken, by is introduced, subject goes to the place of object. Now, let us see some more examples. You see here, same thing we will apply here also. The car hit the tree, it is the active voice, and hit is the main verb here, past tense, hit is the main verb. See, in passive voice what happens? The object becomes subject, the tree, be form is introduced, was because it is past tense, hit, 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 so past participle it is introduced, fourth point by is introduced, subject comes to the place of the object. See here, I am just attaching the same rule this side, the car hit the tree was hit by the car. When we want to, there are two ways of telling is, I closed the door was closed by me, passive voice. My father constructed this house. This house was constructed by my father. He is driving the car is being driven by him. My teacher is advising me, I am being advised by my teacher. All these are passive constructions, where we want to put the emphasis on the object. When we want to emphasize the object doing something, then passive voice is used. We will see in detail in the subsequent videos. We should have some 3 to 4 videos on active passive for having a clear understanding of the concept. Now, come to the second example. He is painting his house. See here, he subject, he is painting main verb, his house. See, this object house comes here to the place of subject, his house. He is painting, he is being painted, past participle, by is introduced, subject comes to the place of the object. The storm damaged the roof. Here again, simple past tense will become past participle, damage, damaged, damaged. The storm damaged the roof. The roof was damaged by the storm. Again, same steps. The teacher has taught algebra. Object comes to the place of the subject, algebra. Has taught, has been taught, by is introduced, subject goes to the place of the object. So, you see here, the car hit the tree was hit by the car. He is painting his house, the house is being painted by him. The storm damaged the roof was damaged by the storm. The teacher has taught algebra, algebra has been taught by the teacher. We will see some other interpretation now. Okay. Now, let us see another interpretation of it. See, when A does something to B, there are two ways to talk about it. One way is the active verb, we will use the active verb. Another way is that we will use the passive verb, two ways. Where do we use active verb? You see here, if we want A, who is the doer, to be the subject, if we want A, the doer, to be the subject, we use an active verb. See here, they built the house. It is A is the doer and built is the active verb. It is active verb. Austrians speak German. This is A and house is B. Austrians speak German, again active verb. A friend of ours is repairing the roof. The doer is A. When we want A to be the subject, we want here they to be the subject, Austrians to be the subject, a friend to be the subject, the book to be the subject, Anand to be the subject. So, a friend of ours is repairing the roof. Here again it is a active verb. The book will change your life. Again, will change is the active verb. Anand broke the bat. Again, broke is the active verb in past tense. Now, let us see what happens here in passive voice. If we want B, the receiver of the action, to be the subject, we use passive verb. So, let us change this. They built the house. They built, the house was built by them. See here the rule. Remember, in the beginning I was telling, the object comes to the place of subject, the house was built, this be form verb, and built, past participle. Fourth one, introducing by, subject comes to the place of object. Here, earlier it was they built the house. So, now B, the house comes in the beginning. So, the house was built by them. Austrians speak German, speaks, present tense verb here. German is spoken by Austrians. This is an example, just an example. So, here B is German, the object comes to the place of subject, be form is introduced, past participle, by comes in, subject comes to the place of the object. Now, a friend of ours is repairing the roof. The roof is repairing, is being repaired by a friend of ours. The roof is being repaired by. Again, begins with the object. See, the roof is being repaired by my friend of ours. The book will change your life. Again, object comes to the place of subject. Your life will be changed, introduced by the book. Subject. Subject comes to the place of the object. Your life will be changed by the book. Anand broke the bat. Object is the bat was broken, past participle, by Anand. See here, again I am again reiterating, if we want A, the doer, to be the subject, we use an active verb like this example. They built the house, Austrians speak German, a friend of ours is repairing the roof, the book will change your life, Anand broke the bat. If we want the receiver of the action to be the subject, this is the subject actually, then we use the passive verb. That means, object comes to the place of subject, past participle is introduced, by is introduced, then subject goes to the place of object. All you can see in these steps. The house was built by them, passive voice. German is spoken by Austrians, passive voice. The roof is being repaired by some of my friends, passive voice. Your life will be changed by the book is again passive. The bat was broken by Anand is again passive. Now, let us see the structure of this passive voice. Now, let us see the structure of it. So, when active verb you see, he keeps promises, he keeps promises, he sends me money, she builds the house, he says correct things always, he makes pots, he drives something, he wrote a letter, or that also can be, active verb can be the second part also, past tense part. Break, then throw, draw, threw, ate, he ate a banana was eaten by him. He gave me a pen was given by him. He took my car was taken by him. These are all passive voice. He drank the coffee was drunk by him. He sees a picture is being, he is seeing a picture is being seen by him. So, these are the active verbs here. Now, let us come to the passive verb. You have to practice with this, so that you become perfect in using the past participle form with the be forms when it comes to passive voice. Mostly mistakes are committed when, see, subject comes to the place of object, no problem in that. Only problem comes between the main verb getting changed into past participle and introduction of the be form, because sometimes plural also will come. See, he gave me 2 pens. You cannot say 2 pens is given by me, given by him. You have to say 2 pens are given. See, there plural. The object was in plural, pens. So, when subject becomes a plural, then are comes in. So, these are some of the areas I will tell you in detail in later videos. So, you have to keep in mind. So, is kept, was kept, are kept, promises are kept by them. The letters were sent by them. The house is being built by him. It has been said by my father. It had been made by the doctor. The car will be driven by me. A letter will be written by her. The pot was broken by the child. English is spoken in England. The thief stole the car was stolen by the thief. So, like that, was stolen, are stolen, were stolen, is being stolen, has been stolen, had been stolen, will be stolen, can be stolen, like that. We have to practice it. Eaten, it was eaten by him. it was given by him, it was taken by her. The children sang a very good song, a patriotic song. The children sang a patriotic song. A patriotic song was sung by the children. Drunk, it was drunk by him. My father forgot his key. The key was forgotten by my father. So, it was shown to me by him. He showed me, it was shown to me by him. So, this structure you have to practice very well by keeping irregular verbs as well as regular verbs, because when it comes to the past participle form, because in passive voice I said the main verb changes into past participle, you should practice with the irregular and regular verbs the past participle form by attaching the be form in front of it. For I am just giving you one more drill in that. So, is kept, was kept, or kept, were kept, is being kept, has been kept, had been kept, will be kept, can be kept. Like that, if you repeat several times with each of this verb with some of them, then the practice comes inside. So, you practice it, and some other technicalities and nuances we will see in the next video. I will tell you the tense transformation and present tense, simple present tense, active voice, what happens to it when it becomes a passive voice, etc. Let us see in the next video. Thank you.